Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a Google Calendar to your taskbar. This is a quick way to access your calendar anytime without opening your browser. Let's get started. On your browser, for example, if you're on your Google web page, all you need to do is click the 9 dots. Here, we will click the calendar. Once we are on the calendar, we will click the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Then, go to Find and Cast, Save and Share, and click Create a Shortcut. We will name this shortcut. For example, Create a Shortcut. Now, once we have the shortcut on the desktop, as you can see, we already have a shortcut on the desktop. We will right-click it and then right-click the shortcut and click this. Show More Options. Once we are here, we just need to pin to Taskbar. As you can see, we now have our Google Calendar on the taskbar. That's how we add a Google Calendar to the taskbar.